stitch to sew hems that are practically invisible from the right side of the fabric. Though blind hem foot styles may vary depending on your machine model, their function is the same. The blind hem foot has an extension at the front which helps to perfectly position the fabric fold while sewing the hem. Some styles have an adjusting screw at the side. It can be used to move the front extension to the left or right depending on the weight or thickness of the fabric that is being hemmed. Measure the desired hem depth, then press. Then, using the all-purpose foot, finish the raw edge with an overcast stitch, multi-zigzag stitch, or trim the edge with pinking shears. Pin the hem in place. With the folded hem in place, fold the hem back again so that approximately 1/4 inch of the hem edge is toward the right. Add a few pins to secure this fold. Now on the reverse side, remove the original pins used to fold up the hem. Remove the general purpose foot and attach the blind hem foot. Then set the machine for the blind hem stitch. For hems on woven fabrics, use the standard blind hem stitch. Use a thread that matches or blends with the fabric. If an exact thread match is not available, opt for a shade darker than the fabric for best results. Blind hem stitches are designed so the needle swings to the left, catching the fold of the hem as you sew. When finished, flip the hem to the right side of the fabric and the stitches are practically invisible. Place the fabric under the foot, making sure the fabric fold lies next to the guide on the foot. Turn the handwheel toward you manually until the needle swings fully to the left. Check that the left swing of the needle just catches the fold. If you catch too much of the fabric fold into the stitch, you can decrease the stitch width. If you aren't catching any of the fabric fold, you can increase the stitch width. You can also move the adjusting screw to reposition the foot so that you only catch 1 or 2 stitches of the fabric fold without having to change the width of the stitch. When finished sewing, unfold the fabric and then press. For stretch knit fabrics, set the machine for a stretch blind hem stitch if available on your machine. The stretch blind hem stitch will provide extra flexibility needed for stretch fabrics.